There's been some research that's looked at viral origins, and that's where some of the theories about bats and pangolins has come from. But as far as other species that are susceptible to the virus or that could carry the virus or transmit the virus, there's a lot that we don't know.
We're constantly learning more about the virus too, but there's not a lot of good evidence. We have over 1 million human cases at this point, or worldwide, and we've only had 4 domestic animals test positive so far worldwide.
Everybody's guidelines are saying that it's very similar to the social distancing and the hygiene that you would have if you knew you were infected or you were sick, that you would have with other people, that they're suggesting the same for pets as well.
But if you have to take care of your pet, that still wearing a mask, and washing your hands before and after doing anything with your pet, it was the proper guidance right now, just to be overly cautious.
To date, we have no evidence of the virus being transmitted from a pet to their owners. It's much, much more likely that an owner could potentially transmit it to their pet.
We don't think that pets can at least transmit it to people at this point. The risk is very minimal, and to get to pets, and then really non-existent at this point that we can tell, getting back to humans.
There have been studies that have looked at how long the virus can survive on different surfaces. Obviously, pet fur was not one of the ones that they tested. So again, don't necessarily know. There's a number of variables that are involved in it, but you have to presume that it could potentially survive for a period of time of potentially a day or so on the surface. So there are viruses that are transmitted by mosquitoes. This is not one of those. And so the mode of transmission for this virus is either typically respiratory or that you pick it up by touching a contaminated surface.
We've looked at other coronaviruses through like insect transmission or vector transmission is what we often use. And there's been no concern as far as the scientific literature is shown on that. So it wouldn't be a big concern, I don't believe, for this current virus either.